Hi guys, we're going to do apartment tour, an empty apartment tour of our new unit. So let's go ahead. Here it is. Here it is. Here's the living room, guys. Here's the dining room. And then the kitchen. And there's my hubby. Stove. And the covers. New fridge. Here's the kitchen.
That under handle.
And then we're going here in the hallway. That's my son. And then there's the bathroom. There's the hallway. And then first bedroom. This unit has only 2 bedrooms, guys. And what I don't, let's see, what I don't like is like that. It's not like the old one we have. And the other one, second bedroom. The rooms are like smaller than our old apartment unit. So that's it, guys. So overall, the unit is nicely renovated. They have new fridge, a new gas stove, a nice bathroom, but the bedrooms are smaller than the one that we had in the old one. So it's just new to us. So that's it, my feedback, and hope you enjoyed watching the video. Bye.